I am going to make an effort. That's all you can do these days is make an effort. You got her clothes? Okay, I'll just about to dress Miss Maddie. I gotta go to Lowe's to go pick up some paint. I didn't even show you guys what I'm doing in the boys' room. I did. I told you guys I'm redoing the boys' room. Say good morning. Okay. She's not happy, but yeah. So trying to get out of here. Just got out of my bed and I have 10 minutes to take my kids to school.
I'll just go for
Just let's just say life is hard. Life is hard, and there's something going on that I'm trying to overcome in my life, and you guys might notice the difference in that there's not a lot of vlogs, there's not a lot of live. And what's the problem? Can you get me a diaper for her, please? Can y'all get your stuff ready to go? There's not a lot of live, there's not a lot of interaction. I'm just trying to get through this little rough patch that I'm going through. And, you know, I can tell myself that things doesn't really affect me, but they do. When it comes to this individual, I really did care. And it's just the attachment that I'm trying to break away from. Lord, I'm not gonna cry. I gotta go. Leah, you wanna say good morning? We just came to Lowe's to get some paint. I didn't even vlog inside of Lowe's because I'm hungry. My anxiety is acting up, so I didn't. But I spent 43 bucks. He coming out because every time I come out, I spend money that I'm not supposed to. So we're gonna go home and paint. Say bye, Leah. Good morning, guys. So working on my kids' bathroom next. I framed out their mirror, and now it's time to do their floors. So I'm laying down peel and stick floor. So this was the before. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I transform this space. And I also have to paint this, but that's later. Good morning, guys. It's been a while. I'm working on my kids' bathroom, so I wanted to show you guys the process. I started it before I picked up the camera. So I showed you the before, so stay tuned for the after. Oh my Lord, Maddie's coming. So I am not a professional, okay? So I'm gonna leave a little grout line here. I usually use a quarter or something, but just gonna push that up. That looks about right where I want my grout line to be. And this is just peel and stick, so you're just gonna line it up where you want it and press down. So I'm just eyeballing my grout line. Okay, guys, so the beauty about working with these type of floor is that this is a score and snap tile. You just score it and snap it, but because I have a miter saw, I'm gonna go downstairs and cut it. So I want the grout line to be right about here. So what I did is I just marked on the paper right here where I'm gonna cut it. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and cut this and bring it back and put it in place. Okay, so I'm at my cut station and I'm gonna use this little majigga thingy right here and put it right there where I cut that. Make sure it's nice and square. And then I'm gonna draw my line like so. And then put it to cut. Okay, so I have my line set. And I'm gonna tighten this little thing because I'm using my phone. Safety first. I'm gonna hold that down. Just so this doesn't move on me. Yep, it fits. Perfect. Now you can play around with the grout line. Now you can play around with how big you want the grout line. And plus you can eyeball it. That's the beauty about this. It doesn't have to be perfect. But in my book it has to be. If that makes any sense. Alright, perfect. First row down. Okay, so we are a quarter of the way and it's looking good so far. So I gotta go finish up. Okay guys, this is my rigged up toilet cutout. So I'm gonna transfer the measurement onto the actual plank and cut it out. Okay, so it fit. I'm just sticking this piece of laminate that I had in there so that the grout line stays, because it tends to want to relax because it's being pushed up there. I kind of cut a little too loose right here, but I'm gonna put a little grout and caulk so that there's no water going under. But other than that, it fits great. And here I'm moving on.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking that I'm better off right here without you.
New project. New project. Come on, mommy. Come on. So we're finally doing kitchen floors. So I ordered the floors on Lowe's. I had like a $60 coupon. So I ordered the floors, so I'm here to pick it up and also get some supplies and stuff, because I'm doing it by myself. Should be interesting, right? Should be interesting. But yeah, I'm excited. Look at little one. She lives inside Lowe's. They don't have any refrigerator on clearance. Everything is gone. But it was either refrigerator or my floors, and I'm like, I'd rather have floors than refrigerator. Come on. Hey. No. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick up what I have to pick up and get out of here, because I'll only have a few hours before I have to go pick up the kids from school. So Mommy? Yes. It would be nice if I knew what else to get. But yeah. Those are spacers. But I think I only need the 1/8 spacers. And I don't have to worry about the wall, because it's peel and stick. So it's not really gonna shift on me. But let's get this over with. Picked up the tiles. Oh my gosh, them things are heavy. But I need to take them out the box, let them get adjusted to the space, and then get started. I wasn't gonna record anymore, like share, you know, my family, but then I realized I'm not gonna let I'm not gonna let anyone stop me from doing what I've always enjoyed doing, which is sharing my life. I'm not gonna let, you know, miserable people steal my joy. And in the grand scheme of everything, and when I look back at it, and then when I think back on everything and everything that's been going on in my life, I've slowly come to the realization that you can't trust anyone. That's all I will ever say. I've had subscribers try to use me. I've had friends try to use me and play with my emotions and all of that. And here I am in a neighborhood where I don't know anyone, and I find myself in just mess. And I'm just like, you know what? If I keep it all neutral, if I apologize to who needs to be, if I apologize to those that I've offended, state my piece with whoever thinks that I'm a bad person, and slowly bring myself back into my home and stay here, I'll be good. I will not have a problem. But the moment you open up yourself and you allow people in your life that you don't know anything about is the moment that you're gonna have problems. And that's what I've slowly realized, and that's what I've been telling you guys that I've been going through, because I couldn't understand where I found myself. And I had to let people go. I had to let a lot of people go, and without explanation. I'm not going to give you any explanation. I'm just going to let you go. So if you find that I'm not speaking to you, trust, believe, you are no longer a part of my life, and you will never ever get to be a part of my life, and you will never ever get to be able to use me again. That's just who I am. That's just the type of person that I am. So let me stop rambling and go get these flooring adjusted. My arm hurts. Sorry, I still haven't purchased the battery for my camera, so my footage is going to suck. But whatever. You do what you gotta do with what you have, okay? So here goes the flooring that I'm gonna use. It's shadow oak. And this is where I'm putting it over, this disgusting, ugly thing. Look at it. Oh, so this is gonna be perfect. So let's get started. So the area is prepped, so I'm just gonna do this little area right here. No cuts, no intricate cut or anything. And then I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow. I don't know, I'll see how far I get, but I like this being open. Like, I just like the space being open. This table takes up a lot of space. So I'm gonna get started. Okay guys, so this is how far I've gotten with the kitchen. And oh man, that's a lot of spacers. Yes, baby. What do you want? You want up? Okay, hold on. And I bought the rug for here, so I have to shampoo this sometime tomorrow because my rug comes tomorrow. And then hubby's going to cut this table down so that it's regular height. Right now it's counter height for the space. I have half the kitchen to go. This is a big kitchen. Like, yes. You want me to come to you? Yeah? I still have to grout. And hubby to the rescue. That whole bag is just the peel off from this whole thing. So hubby's cooking dinner, and I'm loving this floor, guys. Like, it is so beautiful. He's cooking dinner, and I'm appreciating him so much right now because I need to get this done. So yeah, I'm excited for the floor. Eventually we're gonna take it from the front over there where that ugly flooring is right there. We're gonna take it in from there all the way down here so that, you know, you're not walking on the carpet when you come in. That way the cheap carpet can stay at least semi-decent. And then we're gonna do the dining room, and I want carpet in the living room, but we're gonna upgrade and get all really nice carpet for the bedrooms and for the living room, because I like carpet in the living room. So I'm gonna go finish, and then I'll catch up with you guys later. I'm tired. Okay guys, so I am right here. I'm gonna stop for the night. It's 8 something. I was gonna go out, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna do it tomorrow, start fresh tomorrow. But look at how the white cabinet with the gray curtains, I have to take my curtains down and wash them. But the gray floor complements the white cabinet and the gray island and stuff. I can't wait for all of this to come together. But yeah guys, it's coming along. And I made minimal to no mistake when it came on to cutting. So yeah. So I'm gonna say goodnight so I can upload this video, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Say bye.
Hi.
I said bye, not hi. Bye, guys.